So guys, welcome to another video. We posted a video like a minute ago. But anyway, 2 minutes ago. But anyways, I forgot to tell you now. Please, get we hit 100 million subscribers. I'll tell you anything. We treat small creators like nothing. Like we'll just scroll past their videos, but we are trying our best right now to get money. We are poor right now. We're sitting on a brick house, just carpet. We're sitting on bricks. Ugh. Guys, please help us. We are becoming broke. I got a job, but I got fired. I. But anyways, guys, check my mustache. You can check. And for the rest, how bro? So if you ever bully, fight them, cause don't be scared of your dream. Peace out. But this guy has something to say. Hey guys, so you see Marcus here as our friends. Me and Marcus are friends, guys. But we don't have something to tell you. But you see, like Marcus don't want to come to my house. Guys say like, I come to his house because I had a lot of cars that we can play in, cars that we can even sit in the car. So the first that we were bowling, the other house that we were bowling, it was like it felt like it because of the winds. The winds were very strong, just like poof, like on us. Yeah, because like now that house don't fall anymore. That house that we're bowling now. But my friend, he's not Marcus. He's actually JJ. We the both same name. So my name's also JJ. I don't know. So what is it? What I wanted to say? And you can give us a 130 subscribers. I'll give you a like and subscribe, and I'll even like your video. So now guys, we'll give you a big smoker if you like and subscribe to 100 million subscribers and get 200 million views on the video. Please, we can get a million rand of you. Please, just get us there, please. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys, don't put off the music now because you can get us a music box. So subscribe in the video now. Subscribe off now.